Okay, so here we go. Put the mower back together, ready to go. Just going to give it a initial test run with the air cleaner off, just to make sure it's going to run okay, and then we'll move on from there. So we'll get it going. It's got fuel in it. Another thing to do too before you fire up any machines that you do like this, just make sure they actually do have oil in them. And this one does, because I changed it not long ago. That always check button. Okay, let's fire it up and see what's what. See what happens. That was first full cold. As you can see, it's running fine. Just give it a minute to warm up, make sure the buckle's working fine, then we'll move on. Okay, I apologise for any wind noise, but moving on from that first part of this second video, that we got the motor running, the engine running, it's running fine. What I might do for this customer is actually fit a handle mounted snorkel system. I just happen to have a donor mower here. I've got a few laying around. So yeah, I might upgrade his mower a little bit for him so he doesn't have the same issue again. And this is quite simple to do. All you really need to do is just go looking around for second-hand mowers, cheap ones, or any that people put out on council collection days for rubbish. You can usually find some that are good for parts, and this is a prime example. Nothing else on this mower is really any good to use, but yeah, the handle mounted air filter system certainly will be, and it'll help this customer out. He won't have the same issue again. So we'll get this apart and we'll get it fitted up on the customer's mower, and we'll go from there. Alrighty. So hi everyone, just a little bit of a progress update and modification needed to do this handlebar excuse me, handlebar mounted air filter system. Is, I can see, yeah, just quickly show you how I've got it mounted to the machine, how it will be mounted to the machine. I've just got to drill a hole through there. So this will be the upgrade for this mower, which will work brilliantly. Yeah, just a quick point. The screw that holds your standard air cleaner system down, which is the longer one here, that's the one that comes on the machine standard. What you need to do is cut about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch off the bolt and just chamfer the end of it. If you just have a quick look, you'll see I've just chamfered the end of that. Focus, come on, there you go. Okay, so just cut about 1/2 to 3/4 inch off, then just chamfer the end. Just so that when you put the new adapter on, this little section here, when you put this piece on, it's actually shorter than the original air filter system. As you can see, the normal air filter system sits flush up against this top cover here. So just yeah, just be mindful of that if you do this modification. Just got to cut that bolt down about 1/2 to 3/4 inch. Okay, I'll get this fitted up and finished off, and then I'll show you the end result. Okay, talk soon. Hey guys, here's the conclusion to the video of this repair, diagnostic and repair. As you can see, I've fitted the handle mounted snorkel with the air filter system up on here. A nice new filter in there. Got it all mounted up. It was fired up now for its final run, just to make sure everything's okay, and then we should be good to go to give it back to the chap who owns it. Alright, so here we go. I've got to start with my left hand, so just bear with me.